how to create a postcard without Photoshop in Kittl. So I'm just going to change the color of the ocean real quick. This is just for the background color. And then I'm just going to add in some shapes. I'll add this one for the sky. I don't know whether or not to make it lighter or darker. We'll see. I think we're definitely going to make it lighter than this. Hold on, let's just use this first and then... Oh my god. Can't. What the... Okay, let's redo that again. Sorry. Okay, let's do that. And then let's search for island silhouette. And maybe let's use this one. And you can color it to any color that you'd like. I'm just gonna use this color. Whoops. And then I'll do this one right here. And I'm going to color it the same as this. And then I'm going to type in water ripples. Or maybe waves. I don't know. Ocean ripples, maybe? Ocean ripple shape. Somehow I can't really... Oh, I can't use that. Well, I'm guessing you have to use the premium one, so maybe I'll have to skip that. Or maybe waves. Let's see if... I mean, they have some waves, but that's not the one I'm looking for. You can also kind of layer them, I'm gonna guess. Not looking the best. You know what? I'm just gonna leave that there, and let's just do the sky. Let's do clouds. Oh, I mean, we can kind of use the clouds for it, right? I don't know, just use your imagination. I'm just trying to make this as good as possible. Okay, and then I will put these up on the actual sky. Like so. I'll put some other cloud shapes on this as well. I will change the cloud color, don't worry. And then I guess let's add one more here. And then I'm going to search for the sun. Let's use I want to use just a circle shaped sun. I mean, we can use this, but I think I might just add a circle if I'm being honest here. Or you can add a pretty sunset on the beach here. It's kind of hard to do if I'm being honest. Okay, I'm just going to do a circle shape. like here maybe, and let's color it like orange. And let's send it backwards. Oh. No, I'm just gonna send this to front. There we go. Alright, so for the actual like postcard thing, I'm just going to add in a headline. You can use any font that you want. Why is there two? I'll do like beach. And then here for the font, I am going to choose maybe this one, Adventure OG. Just gonna make it really big. And then I am going to go to the transformation here, and I'll do rise. And you're just going to do that. Maybe I'll change the text. Let's do Summer Beach. Pretend it's the name of a beach, alright? Like, just pretend. Maybe I should lock the layers. Size. Can I make it smaller? There we go. Summer Beach. Whoops. Then you're going to scroll down and see like text shadows here, and just select the text shading that you would like to add. Maybe I'll do this offset shadow. And I am going to change the color of the text as well here. Oh, I like this one, this color. And I'm also going to change this color too. Maybe like an orange. Okay, cute. Scroll down and see text decoration. You can also make it like this kind of ombre shape. So maybe on the top one I will color it yellow. Okay, super cute. And then after that you can add in like other things like text, like greetings from Summer Beach. And you can also change the font of that as well. Okay, maybe not that. Not that one as well. This one. And you can use this one. You can use that. It's totally up to you, like how you want to adjust your postcard. I'm not going to go further in depth because it's going to take me like 10 minutes to do this. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. You can also add in a texture on top of the postcard. So you can search for paper or either grain. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!